Many people are stuck in a system where money flows in only when time flows out. The typical path to earning a paycheck involves trading hours for dollars, whether you're working a 9-to-5 job, freelancing, or running a small business. But here's the catch. The more time you put in, the more exhausted you become, and the further you get from true financial freedom. This is the rat race trap, and it has to be broken. The limiting belief. Time equals money. Think about how most people view earning money. They believe time is the only resource that can generate wealth. But here's the truth. Time is a finite resource. There are only so many hours in a day and only so many days in a lifetime. If you rely solely on time for income, you're always going to hit a wall. No matter how hard you work, you'll always be constrained by how much time you can give. Breaking the chains. Moving beyond time for money. To escape the rat race, you need to learn to break free from the time for money trap. The key is leverage and, more specifically, creating systems that allow you to multiply your time and skills. Earning money in ways that don't depend on your hours. There's a shift you need to make from working for money to making money work for you. Step 1. Unlock the power of exponential tools. The first step to escaping the time for money trap is to shift how you use your skills. The most successful people understand that they don't need to work harder. They need to work smarter. This is where exponential tools come into play. What are exponential tools? Exponential tools are anything that magnifies your abilities. They can be physical tools, like a lawnmower or a sewing machine, or digital tools, like a website or an app. These tools don't just multiply your output. They also extend your reach beyond the confines of your direct time. Example. Consider a personal trainer who typically works one-on-one with clients. If they only charge $50 per hour, the trainer can only make as much as they can handle in a day. Say 5 clients totaling $250. But what if this trainer built a fitness app, created workout programs, or filmed a series of video tutorials? Now, their work can be sold to hundreds or thousands of people, generating a passive stream of income that doesn't require them to be present for every transaction. Their ability to scale has grown exponentially, and so has their income. Step 2. Build autonomous systems for long-term growth. Once you've leveraged tools to expand your reach, the next level is building autonomous systems. Systems that continue to generate income with minimal input from you once they're up and running. What are autonomous systems? An autonomous system is a self-sustaining structure that runs independently of your direct involvement. It can be a product, a service, or even a platform that works 24/7, generating income for you even while you sleep. Example. Let's take an online course creator. Once they've developed their course, whether it's about marketing, coding, or cooking, that content becomes a product that can be sold repeatedly without any new effort from the creator. The course might take months to create, but once it's live, the income keeps coming in automatically through sales or subscriptions. This is a perfect example of an autonomous system that generates value long after the creator has moved on to the next project. Another example? E-commerce. Setting up a dropshipping store or creating your own branded product line allows you to generate income with minimal ongoing time investment. The business can run on autopilot with sales coming in daily, but without your constant involvement. Step 3. Transition to mass market assets for ultimate freedom. This is where you truly level up. Mass market assets. These are scalable, replicable assets that can grow into something that creates real wealth. When you build a mass market asset, you aren't just creating income for yourself. You're creating something that can reach the world and continue generating revenue long term. What are mass market assets? Mass market assets are products, services, or digital creations that have unlimited scaling potential. Once these assets are built, you can sell them to thousands or millions without your involvement. This could include anything from a best-selling book to a mobile app, from software to a physical product that's manufactured and shipped. Example. Think about a best-selling author. They write a book once, but that book can continue generating royalties for years to come. Every time someone buys it, the author earns money without doing any more work. That book is a mass-market asset. Similarly, consider tech companies like Microsoft or Apple. When they release a new product, that product doesn't just generate income for a limited time. It continues to sell, with minimal ongoing effort from the company. Bonus example. Even simpler products like t-shirts or mugs with clever designs can turn into mass-market assets. Someone creates a unique design, lists it on a platform like Etsy or Redbubble, and from there, the design can be sold hundreds or thousands of times. The leverage equation: more money, less time. At the heart of all this is one thing: leverage. By moving from earning money through time and effort, a direct exchange, to creating tools, systems, and assets that work for you, you multiply your income without multiplying your time spent. Whether you're using exponential tools, setting up autonomous systems, or building mass-market assets, the goal is the same: create wealth with less direct involvement. You want to work smarter, not harder, and build something that continues to generate value while requiring less and less of your time. Final thoughts. Your path to financial freedom. Now ask yourself, how can you leverage your unique skills, time, and resources to build something that scales? Can you create a digital product, start a subscription-based service, write a book, or develop a mobile app? The possibilities are endless, but the first step is always to think beyond simply trading time for money. Remember, true financial freedom comes not from working harder, but from building systems and assets that make money work for you. Take action, and you'll find that earning more with less effort is not just possible. It's the way forward.